Hello, this is Lena's Needleworks, and this is our January bag, and as you can see, it's got pretty flowers on it, and it looks really springtime, doesn't it? See how pretty that is? We come up with some funny things because, you know, it's really like it's below zero here in Missouri, and I like seeing spring things though. That's very pretty, but it's got the black and it's got the red. So we'll see what our colors are if they match that. Okay, I've already opened the bag because I couldn't get my sound to work. So finally got it to work. As you can see. If it isn't one thing, it's another, right? Oh, this is called, this is a picture. Daniel Parente, Legalia degli Uffizi or something like that. But see, it's a beautiful woman. She's in armor over a nice dress. She has a specter, as you can see. And she's very pretty. Yeah, 1469. Wow, in Florence. So, that's very pretty. And today, we're called the strength of mind. So it's the strength of mind. And of course, she spun it. You can see it looks like purple there. And we'll, reds. And this is for January 2024. I can't believe it's 2024 already. Okay, well, let's go ahead and look in our bags, see what we have. Oh, this is a pretty red bag. Oh, and this is beautiful. And it's made of, let's see. It's fine merino and custom blend, 60% extra fine merino, 20% tussock silk, and 20% mohair, creating a beautiful and versatile fiber blend. The fiber is really soft and they say it's very durable. Well, with silk. See how pretty that is. It's got a little purple, some red, pinkish, a little bit of gray. It's very beautiful. Can you see that? Very beautiful. Feels so soft. I don't know how they get their fibers to feel as soft as they do. Anyway, I always look forward to getting the bags every month, especially in the winter months. And here's the other bag, and it's called the Age of Bronze. This is called Crimson Valor. And this is the Age of Bronze, and it has bronze color in it, a little bit of yellow like. And let me get up so you can see it better. I seem to have trouble getting these in. See how pretty that is. It's got some yellow, bronze, goldish-like. Very, very pretty. Wow, that looked really pretty spun up. I like winter colors too, but this is supposed to represent her armor, and I think this represents her dress. So, it's very, very pretty. I just love these colors. I wouldn't put them together though. Okay, and let's go and see what's in our little baggie. There's a mesh bag. That'll come in handy. You're washing delicates or trying to wash some wool even. Very handy. And this is super fine. And beautiful. There's Eunice, and she has there's a red like shawl on her shoulders. You can see her hair is all fancy, and and she's very pretty, very pretty. She's all dolled up. Okay, and the tea we have is maple apple cider, caffeine free. And it's called, I don't even know what it's called. Cider de Pommes, probably maple apples. And it's got rooibos, hibiscus, cinnamon, maple flavor, apple flavor, caramel. Boy, that'd be good. cold night, especially now because we're having below zero weather and it's just unbelievable. Sun's out now though, as you can see. And we've got a little crown here. Let me get up so you can see that. See his little crown? Let me get this. Anyway, thank you for joining me today and give me a like if you like what I've done for you. Yay! And you know, these are so neat and they're just so beautiful. Their blended yarns are just gorgeous, and they're natural yarns too. They have a lot of, like when we had our study, the sheep study, it showed a lot of different natural yarns. So it's very beautiful. I just love this. It's got a little white, purple, and red. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and thank you for joining Lena's Needle Crafts. And I'll be seeing you. And this is Lena. And happy spinning. Thank you. Bye-bye.